Hello, this is the Victor FSX commercial grade battery powered burnishing machine. It has a very robust construction from wheels to the dust skirt to the body itself. The machine runs at 1,350 RPM and it can be used for spray cleaning and polishing to a deep shine in a quick time. Because it doesn't have any trailing power cables, you can use it very well in public areas without having to worry about trip hazards. The machine has a dust collection system which is passive, so the speed of the pad draws any surface dust and particles into this skirt here, which then takes it up this hose here into the box, where there's a little paper bag where it collects. Okay, the machine is 17 inches in diameter and it has a charge time of around 6 hours and then a run time of 2 hours plus. So we'll just do a little bit of spray cleaning on this floor. Need to put a fine mist on the floor. So on the side here you'll see that the power's on. This is controlled with that switch there. So I'll release the handle into its working position. And it's just working backwards and forwards. It's not like the side-to-side machines. It's forwards and backwards. Makes it very easy for operators who have never possibly used a rotary machine before. To learn more about availability and pricing, either call 0121 706 5771 or email sales@victorfloorcare.com.